quickly to commence our learning journey on this platform, because this platform is actually dedicated to two major uh, business areas. We'll be focusing more on fashion and as well be focusing more of tech. So those are the two major interests that we are promoting on this platform. So as it relates to tech, we in the couple of series from now onward, you will be dropping some content that relates to building capacity, teaching people how to learn a bit of technology through data, because that appears to be the easiest way to actually transition from a non-technical fields into technical fields in IT world. So in a couple of weeks, we'll be coming home with content that relates to building your capacity into that space. So before we commence this today's clips, we will be giving you an introduction on how to use Power BI as a data analytic tools, the application of Power BI, what you can actually use Power BI to do. You understand? We want to bring the hand forward, so you have a clue of what you expect to know at the end of the entire series of this learning journey. So in the next few minutes, I will quickly run through some of the areas where you can actually use Power BI and where you can actually apply the knowledge if you eventually gain it. So in the next minute, let's slide it into my screen and let's walk through the process of how you can use Power BI to present business data to the business. See you there. So the activities of the management process of the Foxter. On the first sheet here, which is the latest news that has a summary of all the animals that has been received based on our filter date. So we have a date in here that we can use to filter all information that we want to see. If you select years, then how many years back do you want the information in the last 2 years? These are the number of pets that was received and the number of pets that was actually fostered. If I increase it by to 4, I will be able to see more record in there. Then the second sheet is giving us the trend of what is happening based on the based on the type of the animals that was actually received in the foster home. If I increase the range, it's going to give us more trend analysis on what has happened in the shelter. So the most popular pets that was actually brought into the home and fosters were actually cats and dog. So that's the level of the insights that we have been able to implement.